I want to tell you about the richest man in Malaysia. His name is Tan Sri Bukhari. $17 billion net wealth, US. How did he make money? He was a young boy when he came on the shores of Malaysia from Yemen. Refugee from Yemen. He came, he had his shoes, good shoes, he had leather shoes. What did he do? He sold his shoes, he got 10 ringgit, 10 reals, essentially. Then he went and bought and sold and bought and sold and bought and sold, and he bought, what did he buy and sell? Rice. Little did he know, he was going to control the rice market in Malaysia in the future. Bought and sold rice, bought and sold rice. Then he came back to his mom after one night. He came back to his mom and said, Mom, I made 10 ringgit profit. I made 10 ringgit profit. So what did his mom say? Said, son, give half of the profit away to sadaqah. So Tan Sri Bukhari says, I told my mom, Mom, I want to give sadaqah. Trust me, I want to give sadaqah. I want to be thankful to Allah, but not right now. Can I just take that 5 ringgit that I'm going to give in sadaqah, just put it back into the capital of the business, reinvest it again and again and again and again and again and again, eventually become so much bigger, then I'll give it. Is that all right? So he told me, he said, no, my mom told me, she grabbed me and said, my son, it is Allah, the Rabb of opportunity. They gave you the opportunity to make that money. Imagine if you make Allah happy, how much more opportunity He will give you to make more money. So he said, I listened to my mom and I went straight away and I gave 5 ringgit, half my profit, in charity. And ever since then, I have never ever stopped. I have made so much profit until he is now only 52 years old and he is the richest Muslim in all of Malaysia.